Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 11 from the worksheet for chapter 1 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: solving a compound in linear inequality, interval notation. Solve the compound linear inequality 4u minus 5 less than or equal to negative 9 and 2u minus 1 less than 7. Write the solution in interval notation. If there is no solution, enter 5. So let's take the two equations separately and then we will see how we can connect the two of them with a compound statement and. That is 4u minus 5 less than or equal to negative 9. The other one is 2u minus 1 less than 7. So they are connected by and. Now let's take the first inequality and we'll isolate the variable. So it is plus 5 on both sides. So it is 4u is less than or equal to negative 5. Negative 9 plus 5, that will be a negative 4. And divide both sides by 4. That will give u less than or equal to negative 1. So that is the solution independently for the first part of the inequality. Then let's find out the inequality, second inequality, and we'll solve for y. Solve for u. So add 1 to both sides. So it will be 2u is less than 8. And now you divide both sides by 2. So we get u less than 8 over 2, that will be a 4. So remember, these two are connected by and. U is less than or equal to negative 1. U is less than 4. Even though the question is interval notation, it's better we graph it and then then interpret the graph for the interval notation. So let's draw the number line roughly. So negative 1 is the first number. So let's mark negative 1 with a solid dot. U less than or equal to negative 1, the first inequality, which means all values to the left of negative 1. So all values to the left of negative 1. So we will shade that part in red, which is u less than or equal to negative 1. That's why we make it a solid dot. And the second one is u less than 4. But we don't have the equal to sign for 4. So in this case, we are going to make a hole at 4. Also note 4 occurs after negative 1. Here we have u less than 4. So it is all to the left of 4. So you have to shade that part to the left of 4. So it is this part, the one in green. That part. Now we have to see, because the two inequalities are connected by and compound statement. So and means common. What is that area or what is that interval part which is commonly shaded, meaning which occurs in both the intervals? You notice here a part is shaded only in red, a part is shaded only in green, but there is a part which is shaded both in red and green. That is the part which is common to both intervals. So that is all to the left of negative 1. So in the interval notation, it is the solution in interval form is all to the left of negative 1. So it is negative infinity through negative 1. Negative 1 is included here. See that it is a solid dot over here. So it is negative infinity to negative 1. Negative infinity can never be closed. but because of the solid dot, -1 is closed. Hope this video helps.